4, 3, 2, 1. Go.
So, fellas, how's everybody doing tonight?
Relax mode, man.
Okay, cheers. Like I said tonight, we drinking on Elijah Craig.
It's the Bourbon Headzzz movement.
Yes, indeed. This is the Elijah Craig toasted barrel, small batch, delicious, sitting at a 94 proof. Everybody, cheers. Welcome, fellas. Thanks for coming in. You already know.
Absolutely.
So, everybody introduce themselves. Let's get a real introduction. Everybody, we're gonna start with QP and we go around.
Alright, you know what? My name QP. Today, I'm on build doing trading options, currency. For the past year, that's what I've been doing. Something I learned about when I was incarcerated. I used my time to learn different ways to get money, you know what I'm saying? Something that's not gonna bring me back to, a place of incarceration. So, that's really what I'm doing now.
Nice. Everybody know Chef Paul Michael, Bourbon Headzzz, I'm just sitting back collecting that bourbon and trying to just live life and give y'all some good content, good information, and keep it growing. So pass the ball to my boy Stone Bone.
Stone Bones, author of one novel that's published, another one that's still in the making.
Gotta get it out.
Yeah, for real.
Gotta get it out.
Fellow bourbon head here, enjoying the bourbon and just here to hear this good content, crypto, stocks, and I'm here for the rock.
Yeah. Butter Raspy, MC, producer, single dad. We just
Raspy. But nah, fellas, you already know. We got Butter, we got Stone, we got Chef Paul Michael, we got QP. Tonight we just sipping on this yak
multimedia
and getting this thing together. So QP. Now we kept like touching on the top every time we come around. I'm hearing cryptocurrencies and trading options. What do you mean by you trading options? What you do? Let these folks know what you do and how you do it.
Okay. Well, trading options is a little bit different than just buying a stock. When you buy a stock, you buying ownership into the company. Options is different. You're buying a right. You know what I'm saying? When you buy an option, you're buying the right to purchase a stock at a certain price at a specified date. So with options, it's like, boom. It's two ways you could play it. Options it's a beautiful thing because it's like you could get money even when the market is down. You know what I'm saying? The market down, or if it's trading sideways, the price not going nowhere, you can still make money. Now, my thing is buying calls and puts. So, even if a stock go down,
Now let these folks know what a call and a put is.
All right, so a call. Now say I'm bullish. Say I feel a company stock price is gonna go up, right? So I'm gonna buy a call, because I feel that stock price is gonna go up. Now if I feel that the company stock price is gonna go down, then I'm gonna buy a put. You know what I'm saying? Now options is what they call a derivative. Right, because the value of the actual option contract derives its value from whatever the stock price do. Okay. You know what I'm saying? So so for example, if I say I'm looking at Amazon stock and I use charts I pay attention to price actions,
Okay.
So
you're just saying free balling. You just saying
nah. So I study. Because at the end of the day, being from the streets, right? Learning a lot of my business acumen from the streets, right? it made me come to the realization that, everything's about supply and demand. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
So even with stocks, because I think for so long there's a lot of misinformation, it's a lot of fear, because when people think of stocks, they think of the market crash. They hear a lot of bad stories, and that intimidates people. You know what I'm saying? And the people that do talk about it, if you look at NBC or Bloomberg, it's people that don't look like us, you know what I'm saying, that talk about it, and they speak a bunch of jargon that we don't understand.
All right, so for a young person, like somebody our age or even younger than us, looking to get into this, what you're doing, what would be the best option for them to do that you would give them? Should they do to start if they want to start day trading or option buying, things like that?
First, educate yourself.
There you go.
Learn as much as you can, and then after you learn, right, you should demo trade. It's a lot of platforms. You got E-Trade. You got
and the demo trade is when they give you like a fake money.
Yeah.
Like they give you like 250,000, and then you can trade, do your own ups and downs.
Absolutely.
So yeah, but if you master the demo,
then
you say you got that 250,000 that they gave you as a demo, and you turn that to $1 million.
Correct.
I think you mastered the demo.
Yeah,
Right.
absolutely.
So now try the real,
Right.
but they keep forgetting that is it's a very ups and downsy when it comes to your cash, because you can win a lot and you can lose a lot if you don't know what you're doing.
Even now, check this, right? Even if you know what you're doing, you gonna have every trade ain't gonna be.
Oh yeah,
Solid.
oh,
You
yeah.
know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah.
You're gonna take your losses. Now, what make a trader, I think, proficient, right? Because I don't care who you is, some of the top traders, even those that got hedge funds, right? And they're managing or they're trading hundreds of millions and billions. They take losses, but they implement a solid risk management. They have a solid risk management plan, you know what I'm saying? So it's like, you don't want to take every trade.
So on your trades, you do 5-minute trades, 1-hour trades. Which ones you do?
Now, I do like whatever. I have a setup. So again, going back to me understanding that everything revolves around supply and demand. Even stocks revolve around supply and demand. So when you look at the charts, right, you start to notice where this particular stock reach a certain price point and it bounce up, right? And that's really what traders would call, that's a demand zone.
Because people buying it and they want it.
That's where buying pressure is at,
Exactly.
you know what I'm saying? And you'll notice that usually when they hit a certain point, it bounced back down. So that's when that's a supply. That's where they sell at. You know what I mean?
Because the stock like the dope game. Buy low, sell high.
Exactly.
You
know
know
what I mean? So that's so now if I see the price going down to that demand zone, right? I'm not just gonna execute because it could keep going lower. One thing you also gotta pay attention to what's going on, because it's something that could go on that may have caused that stock
Like
price
the war,
to go.
the war in Ukraine.
Absolutely.
Like we right now, everybody know if you follow gold. I don't know if you guys follow gold. Gold is at the multi-historical high in the past like 20 years.
Yeah.
They sitting at $75 a gram right now on gold.
That's crazy.
Gold ain't never hit $75 a gram. I think back in like 1820 or some crazy shit like that.
Wow.
So like I said, that's another thing. And that's one commodity that been saying on a 30% rise for the past 200 years.
Now look, let me piggyback right off of what Brother QP was saying about educating yourself, because I jumped in. I was telling him, and I was telling you too, I jumped in the stocks. Light money, but I didn't know nothing, and I just bought things and just, you know what I mean? I was showing QP the other day. I'm like, look, like I bought this. It was like I didn't do no homework, no
You just
research,
buying shit.
just bought it.
Same here.
You know what I mean?
Excited.
So yeah, just I wanted to do it. I
But-
just said, you know what I mean?
That's called getting your feet wet.
Yeah.
I mean, that's just like
So
me.
look, now
yeah.
I done came up with a strategy because me and you was talking, so I sold those stocks and then I put it more onto the ones that made sense.
All right,
Like
now,
Nvidia.
what stocks, like, so for example, I like to tell folks this. I mean, this is no financial advice, so
Oh, yeah.
this is straight entertainment,
Entertainment,
yo.
absolutely.
Not a financial advisor. But like I tell folks, hey, if you got income coming in and it's actually feasible where you don't mind losing it and spending it,
Absolutely.
why not invest?
Makes sense, yo.
I mean, like I just told her earlier, the average bottle in here, $50 a bottle.
Correct.
It's time for you to say, hold up, if I can spend $50 on a bottle, why not invest $50 in myself? We all running around here with $2,000 cell phones, but do you got a portfolio? Do you got cryptocurrency? Do you got a savings?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Black folks, I don't mean to say like we don't have that wealth. You know what I mean? So we got to find a way to build that wealth. And stocks, cryptocurrency right now, if you play the right one, you can change your life. You know what I mean? But just don't jump into shit. Like we said, you gotta do your education. You gotta do your
So
research.
could I ask a question? What do you think is the best form of education for dummies to crypto?
For dummies to crypto,
What's the best to step your feet to get wet to learn? What would be the top information? What do we got?
the best information to learn crypto,
Like you, because
honestly,
you told me you came out.
is
Not from upstate, right? You was upstate.
download my white paper book. I got a light book I wrote. Download it. I'll pass it out, and they teach you everything.
That's for crypto, correct?
For crypto. Anything you want to learn about crypto, I got my little 4-page book I wrote, and it explains everything. What cryptocurrency is. Why is it so volatile? So there's people jumping in these meme coins and all these things like that. It's what a blockchain is. People don't even think. They think crypto, but crypto wouldn't be nothing without a blockchain. So you got to learn about the blockchain, learn about certain things, and this is all in my book. So, and the book is free. So all you got to do is hit that email, watts@gmail.com, right? watts@gmail.com. Hit me with that say you want the book, and I'm gonna email the book to you.
Right.
No cap. I don't want nothing. I just want to enlighten folks to understand, because everybody tell me, oh no, that's the dark web money. They're gonna steal your money. No, you know what I mean? Nah.
Dark net.
Yeah, so it's like, so if you want to learn about the crypto and you ain't shy, like I said, I'll put the Gmail right under here. It's gonna run across. It's gonna say watts@gmail.com. watts@gmail.com. Or bourbonheadzzz@gmail.com. Bourbonheadzzz@gmail. We got time too.
Bourbon Headzzz in the building.
So you bought some crypto right
Bourbon
now.
Headzzz means beats.
I bought. Let me tell y'all, the
That's
people.
what we
I
doing.
bought some crypto. Also, with the stock, I bought Bitcoin, and I bought several cryptocurrencies. I came over here with you. We did helium and.
Okay, the helium and CRO, I think.
Yeah, CRO.
You did the crow coin.
Yeah, we did crow coin and we did helium. You know what I'm saying? Then I also did. I got on Robinhood. I got a few other ones that I'm doing. So, and what I could say.
And what you learned in the past month as you doing investing?
What I learned is, let me just tell the people, just like with these two brothers, you want to, you could do the way I did, just jump in through experience and get your feet wet. You know, like I said, I wasn't playing with too much change, but I would recommend that you get ahead and enlighten yourself first. Learn with the blockchain, learn everything, learn what coins, learn about crypto, learn about stock. Because I only know about the stock when you buy it. It's like a long term investment.
Yeah.
I don't know about it.
Short-term buy. That's different.
And he been sending me things, and I've been watching to try to educate myself.
That's like if you can do the short-term buys, it's on a platform called NADEX.
You're gonna give us some music too.
You use NADEX?
Nah, only
All my
on
music people
only
out there, yeah.
platform
I got a
right
NADEX
now.
account.
Only platform I really use right now is
'Cause
Robinhood.
So if you want to do some puts and some buys and things like that, or like you said, you want to practice on a demo, hey, try out it. I ain't not supported by NADEX. I'm not supported by NADEX, but NADEX is an awesome little platform to learn on. Like I said, they start you off like $250,000 on the demo account.
Okay.
They teach you all the shit they got, but it's on you to want to do it.
Absolutely.
It's on you to want to click on these little extra buttons to say learn me.
Passion.
You know what I mean? A lot of motherfuckers just want to just look at numbers and put numbers in it.
That's what
You know
I
what I
was
mean? Nah, we got
I'm definitely one of them.
just like anything, like a plumber. A plumber is not a master plumber until he learned everything.
Yeah, you gotta read those books.
You know what I mean? Exactly.
And it's a ongoing.
That demo.
It's an ongoing. Yes.
Still always learning something new.
It ain't like
And that's with life too, though.
Yeah, it's fact.
I learn shit every day, and you're an idiot if you say you can't learn from off of people or learn from people. Like, it's great for you to learn off a young person, and a young person great to learn off an older person. That shit works out.
It's like when I hear about people, you know, from Wall Street traffic, other people who are allegedly, and I believe them, feeding themselves, like that's their primary source of income, is they eating off of that stock. They so it's like when I hear that, like damn, that shit fuck me
I
up.
can
Like,
literally,
yo.
and I be saying this shit too, like, if I really put, and the thing is, I call myself pussy balls because it is. Because I don't never want to put all my eggs in one basket. Like, I just want to jump off the shit. And, like, if I, because I can do, when I do stocks on some 40% into it, I'm making $4,000 here, $5,000 there. So imagine if I put 100% into it.
That's nice.
You know what I mean? If I took my time and put 100% into it, maybe I can make $40,000, $100,000. I'm doing like 40%, 30% because I work and I do, and every now and then I don't get to sit down and research, or I might go through some other shit and read like, oh shit, what's the name is doing well. You know what? Let's try to get a position on this stock right here. Boom, that shit worked out. Oh, that shit went to 185%. I'm gonna take that profit and I'm gonna go buy motherfucking 2 million flow key coins. Oh shit, flow key just went up from 0.2% to 0.4%. Wow, that little fucking $4,000 just put in this turned to $8,000. And that was in a week. So it's like, wow, if you could do this shit every day and learn it, but don't have the job in your mind focus you out. Have the, you know what I'm saying?
That's the shit.
So, I was gonna say, so is that your goal to transition?
Yo, my goal is not to leave this fucking house and generate wealth.
That would be
Okay,
so
cool.
dope.
That's fine.
I'm gonna keep it real. That's ideal for me because I'm getting this taste of this unemployment, and it's like I know, of course, eventually the time will run. I gotta go back to work. But I would love like the brothers that's on the forex, the foreign exchange. Brothers who is literally that's their primary.
That's all they do.
That's what they do.
They be trying to pull me in every day on the internet.
See, that's the thing. That internet shit is scammy. Yeah, that's the thing. I don't.
With that.
So that's
I
another,
lost
See, that's
money.
what I do with people.
that's another thing that
Yeah.
I trade.
On the ground.
Currency.
Remember Mike Mitchell
So-
invested in that nigga. What's his name? Conscious Jones. Or
Yeah, that nigga got locked up or some shit.
what happened?
The
Yeah,
brother
yeah.
Jones, what's his name? Brother for life. Brother for life. That nigga, brother for life. He did some
Two
bullshit, yo.
stacks.
And he went there and never get no
Two
money
stacks?
back.
That's 2 G's?
2,000, but he
I
invested.
invested into a brother who's saying, and the nigga's a scam artist.
Yeah, facts.
So he ain't get that little 2 grand supposed to. He supposed to
Be a lot of that though on
He
the
was supposed to
internet,
fix
man.
his credit.
Oh yeah, I mean, I got gaffled for $1,500 on the Facebook. Yeah, I got gaffled.
They was trying to get at me, but I never do it.
And I felt like an old nigga. Yo. When that shit happened, I felt like an old nigga, yo. Like after I was like, yo,
I got gaffled.
these motherfuckers just got me for $1,500, and I let them get me. Like, I'm like,
Because your money was up, you didn't mind it months, but I know that hurt like a
But because
motherfucker.
the way it came through is like they sent a picture of you saying, "Yo, this me, nigga." I'm like, "Stop playing." Then they saw the ID. Look, it's me, motherfucker. I'm like, "What up, yo? I ain't see you in a minute." We just start kicking this shit. Yo,
Oh yeah, they show you like the man.
Yeah.
They do that.
Yo,
So
so
that nigga got germs.
Yeah.
yeah. And I told you to stop.
I
Yeah, I told you to
He
stay.
almost got me for $200.
Yeah.
Talking about he could give me my license.
Yeah.
And it's a nigga we grew up with.
I don't play
You know
them
what I
games.
mean? So
Nah, I don't give a fuck if you honest, trustworthy. Don't come to me about no money shit on no social media, yo. Straight up. I ain't invested in nothing. I'm not buying your Forex. I'm not putting no puts in with you. If we're gonna do money, we're gonna sit in front of each other. So some bullshit, if you do try to scare me, I'm gonna choke your bitch ass out.
You know what I want to say? I think I'm a believe. I think with QP, I was watching something else. But I think Wall Street Tracker, he was saying that people got this misconception of the stock market and like stocks that like what you said will crash and like people investing everything in it and then losing out. And I think it's like that jargon, that talk. When these get doing that talk, we be lost.
Yeah,
We don't
that's how
know
they catch
what
you.
like, you know what I'm saying?
Because they know you don't know.
You don't know. See, the thing is, it's so simple.
It is.
You know what I mean? The whole aspects of buying stocks and selling stocks is buy low and sell high. So, and you buy what's popular and you buy what's going on in the world. And you look at the world and you depend on shit like, boom, you see a lot of real estate going up. You see a lot of buildings being built. Everywhere we turn around out here, we see something being built.
Right.
So I need to find out a real estate stock. What's going on? What company is holding all these real estate bids and putting this out here? And that's called a REIT, I think. It's called a REIT, where you can buy, it has like a REIT.
Yeah.
It's like a portfolio of nothing but real estate companies in this one bubble. And you buy the bubble. So whatever make money, the bubble make money.
Dividends.
Exactly.
Too, you know
That's another thing. That's when we said, what are you looking for off of this shit? To live without leaving the house making money? That's called passive income. When I say passive income, because there's some stocks out there where you could just talk about with the dividends, where you can make fucking $150 a month on a dividend. So you got one stock bringing you $150 a month on a dividend, but you got a portfolio over fucking $50,000, but they all working on dividends. So now if you can either reinvest your dividend into your stock portfolio, or they take the money, say if Ford pays you a dividend this month of $140, and your stock portfolio reinvest it back into Ford. Or you can have the dividend hit back at you, and you just take it out as cash. So imagine if you got 20,000 shares of Ford, right? And they paying $5 a dividend on each share. You got 20,000 shares. You know what I mean? So, I'm just saying, don't go back. Like I said, this ain't no financial advice. So, you know, so don't go in there. Well, like I said, so if they're paying $5 a share, $5 a dividend per share, you got 20,000 shares. All right, that's about 10 grand.
They pay quarterly, so
you're gonna get the 10 grand, not every month,
3 months.
every 3 months. So just imagine. So you would brush that down for a year. I'm getting $10,000 divided by 300, by 12 months. You brush that down and say it'd be like almost like $800 a month, whatever. You know what I mean? So you got several stocks doing this.
And you would continue to invest.
So now you got dividends paying you over $4,000, $5,000 a month off of dividends. That's the type of shit we need to start talking about. Exactly. It's plain and simple. Now you can reinvest your dividend, or you can have the dividend come to you and pay your bills with it. All right, you know you're making $2,500 a month in bills, and you know your mortgage is $2,500 a month. You know your gas bill, so you know you got to spend about $4,400 a month to survive. Now, if you can find a way to get into the stock program and make $4,400 a month in dividends,
that's what's up for me.
you'll be stress free.
That's definitely.
And the problem is people say, "Oh, I ain't got the money to do that. Oh, I can't do that." No, bitch, you don't know how to sacrifice.
Well, we don't learn. A lot of us don't have the
That's true too.
That's
true
what it is.
too.
Some people don't know how to take all these words. You say right now,
I think
dividends,
but this is what
I'm being honest. I'm not a motherfucker.
So, all right, for example, like a dividend. All right,
That's intimidate, but I'm willing to go that leap.
Say this is a company, right?
Yeah.
This company right here is Elijah Craig. It's a big company.
Yeah.
And you see, in all this liquid in here, this is money we made from selling our stuff. That's our money. That liquid is our money. And when it gets full up here and we start pouring over and shit, I gotta pour it in the glasses. And these glasses are the people that invested to me. And so my fucking company keeps overflowing with this fucking great product that we got. But it's coming out the bottle. So that's my profit.
Yeah.
So, but I don't want to let my profit fall on the floor and dissipate. I want my investors that's help me out, eat with my profit. So I'm gonna pay them every quarter when my bottle overflow.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Fact.
So now I got my bottle back down, and I can get some more money in here because I let, you know what I mean? I hit now. And when I say make some more money, because I just gave y'all more money.
Right.
So what y'all want to do? Y'all probably gonna reinvest in shit.
Yeah.
So you're gonna take
It
the money
makes
back.
sense. Yeah.
So guess what? The bottle start doing it again. So I'm filling you bitch ass niggas up again. Everybody, that's what a dividend is. You know what I mean? So a company makes profit and he shares it with his investors. That's like me selling my dope this week. No, bullshit. Never did that shit. I'm just saying. me selling dope, and we spent 20 grand on some dope, and we made 80,000.
Nice.
I made 80, right? Fuck it, I'm gonna hit you 5, hit you 5, hit you 5, hit you 5. I'm gonna give out 50. I can lose 15 grand to make you niggas
You
happy.
just made 80.
Because now you're gonna work harder. You're gonna invest in
We're
more.
gonna make 160 next time.
Exactly. Now you got the 5 this next month. You got an extra. So you see what it is.
Yeah,
So
I guess that.
that's what a dividend is. A major company pays off its profits to the investors.
Okay.